Hello viewers, I'm Dr. Suma, consultant at 49 Fertility Center, Vijayawada. Some patients come to us with a scan report showing a chocolate cyst. So what is this chocolate cyst? What are the problems that arise because of the chocolate cyst? Are medicines helpful in completely dissolving the chocolate cyst? And what are the treatment options available when a patient is having a chocolate cyst? So, chocolate cyst is nothing but an ovarian endometrioma. Endometriosis is a condition wherein the endometrial lining of the uterine cavity starts growing in areas apart from within the uterine cavity. So, supposing the endometrium is growing from the ovary, or it is growing around the tubes or on the outer surface of the uterus or within the muscle of the uterus or any other part of the body, then it is called endometriosis. So, endometriosis in the ovary often leads to formation of a chocolate cyst. So, whenever a patient is having a menstrual bleeding, it is the endometrium that sheds in the absence of a pregnancy. So, every month in a menstrual cycle, the women, there is a development of the endometrium anticipating a pregnancy. In the absence of pregnancy, the endometrial lining sheds and there is bleeding leading to the menstrual cycle. So when there is growth of this endometrium in the ovarian tissue, what happens is this blood has no place to grow. It accumulates within the ovary and this leads to formation of a cyst. As blood accumulates over a period of time, it changes its color into a brownish color, and that is the reason this cyst gets its name as a chocolate cyst. So chocolate cyst is nothing but an ovarian endometrioma. So now what is the problem arising because of the ovarian endometrioma? So because of the blood that accumulates inside the ovary, this reduces the egg number in the woman and it also reduces the quality of the eggs that grow in the ovary. The second thing is, because of this chocolate cyst, there can be adhesions that form between the chocolate cyst and the tubes, between the chocolate cyst and the uterus, and sometimes between the chocolate cyst and the bowel and bladder as well. As a result of this, we have the symptoms that arise out of this chocolate cyst, which could be pain during menstruation, pain during intercourse, pain during defecation, and also pain while urinating. So these are the common symptoms that we encounter because of this chocolate cyst. But sometimes the chocolate cyst can be completely asymptomatic and can be diagnosed only when we do a scan in a couple who's trying for pregnancy but failing. So chocolate cyst also causes infertility. So this could be because of the reduced egg number, it could be because of the reduced egg quality, it could be because of the tubal block that can be caused, or it could be just because of the inflammation which prevents fertilization and implantation. So basically a chocolate cyst is an ovarian endometrioma which, apart from leading to symptoms of pain, can also lead to infertility. So are there any medications which can completely cure a chocolate cyst? No, there are no medications that can completely cure a chocolate cyst. We do give medications to reduce the pain. We do give medications to prevent the amount of bleeding that can happen during menses in the form of hormonal pills, so that the chocolate cyst does not progress in size and cause further problems. So what is the solution then? So we do consider surgery in a patient with a chocolate cyst if she's having pain symptoms, she's having severe dysmenorrhea, she's having severe pain during intercourse or during defecation or urination. Pain is one of the main factors that we consider while deciding for a surgery, because surgery, once you do a surgery for a chocolate cyst, there could be a chance of recurrence. That is, the chocolate cyst can reform. So carefully we consider the decision to do a surgery because there is always a chance of recurrence. We avoid surgery to the maximum extent. Second thing is, even if the chocolate cyst is present, if the tubes are open, the ovarian reserve is good, the male factor is good, we can consider doing an IUI. And the last option is an IVF, wherein we remove the eggs from the body, we fertilize the eggs with the sperms in the lab, we prepare the embryo in the lab and we put it directly into the uterus. So if you are suffering with chocolate cyst, taking an opinion from a consultant is extremely important. Knowing your future fertility prospects is important. And if you're really suffering with pain, probably you should even consider going ahead for a surgery. Thank you.